Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to justify text in Google Docs table. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with my table and text. Now I justify text in this table. At first you have to select this text or table. Just press this table cell and drag on your mouse to select this table and text. Now you can see here are align drop down menu. Just press this align drop down menu. Now you can see here are justify text align. Just press it. Now you can see I justify text in Google Docs table very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for